Hello, welcome back, and we've got another 5%ers video review. We just launched 5%ers $6,000 account test on the ProfitRetiver EA. So we want to test and profit and win. Okay, so currently we're on 3 pairs: the year GB, the GPNZ, and the GBP USD. We're testing this on our FX Blue account. Most of these pairs have max lot of 1 point or higher, and I'm currently using a 0.04 and max of 0.06 lot. So for 3 pairs, a max of 0.06 lot, I should end up with 0.18 lot, which is well under our max lot. And unless it's hedging, meaning it's buying and selling at the same time for the same currency, then we should be even with the account, so that we're not in too much overall risk. So with the amount of currency we're trading right now, we have 6,005 in equity. So when this account reaches 6750, then the equity protector will stop the account and stop the EAs and stop the live trading. So it won't trade any more than 6750, and the account goal is 12% of the account, which is 6720. So we'll wait for the month and we should give you an update. But let's check our FX Blue account. This is what it says as of lately: 6017 in balance, 6007 in equity, and floating negative 10.2. A profit of 17.8 closed. Again, we have 5,300 free margin, so we have well enough to continue to trade. And we're using about 900 to 680 margin. Okay, as I scroll, you'll see the pairs: the Euro GBP and the GBP USD. It should be showing the GBP instead, but that actually has the highest spread out of the 3 pairs that I'm trading. So we have a 75% win rate, and the test that I've done in the past showed about 69 to about 72% win rate. So if that goes down, it's expected, but later on in the months we'll improve on that. And overall, 77 pips, and we don't want to trade martingale because martingale will give a negative pip count. So the point of doing the indirection trading like I'm doing is to receive a positive pip count. Like right now we're at 77. By the end of the month we should reach about 400 or more. Okay, so you see the account, we see where it is. This has been the first hour of trading. I uploaded this EA at about 7 o'clock. So if we can do 17 an hour, then that's the job. And that's what the EA is supposed to do. But by the end of the month, we will come back and show you our results. Happy trading out there. See you around.